Hello, friends. So glad you're here today. We're making a cozy, unbelievably tasty stuffed mushroom recipe with spinach. Start with 250 grams, about 9 ounces, of large button mushrooms and trim off the stems. Trim a thin rim from each cap so the filling sits neatly inside. Pour in 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Season with salt to taste. Add a pinch of smoked paprika and a pinch of cumin. Cut a lime in half and squeeze out the juice. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir to combine, and the marinade is ready. Arrange the mushrooms on a sheet of parchment paper. Brush each cap generously with the marinade. Let's keep cooking these home-style dishes together. Subscribe so you won't miss the next one. Now let's air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, start the filling with those mushroom stems. Chop them into small pieces. Slice some red onion. Shallots or regular white onion work beautifully too. Next, chop a sweet bell pepper. You'll need about 100 grams, about 3.5 ounces. Use 3 small ones or 1 medium. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I'm so curious to know. Take 5 cloves of garlic and slice them thinly. Chop 100 grams, about 3.5 ounces, of fresh spinach. Isn't that fresh spinach just lovely? Drizzle a little olive oil into a skillet. Add all the chopped vegetables to the pan. Stir well. Season with salt to taste. Add black pepper. Add a little smoked paprika. A touch of dried oregano or any favorite spice. Stir again and let it cook for 7 minutes. Slice some green onions, or swap in any fresh herbs you love. Fold the green onions into the sautéed vegetables. Give it a good stir. Now add the chopped spinach. Stir once more. Pour the cream over the vegetables and spinach. Use regular dairy cream or plant-based cream, your choice. Give it a final stir and remove the skillet from the heat. Take the baked mushrooms out of the air fryer. Fill each mushroom cap with the warm filling. I hope you're enjoying this video. It means a lot to be helpful to you. These mushrooms smell so good. I can't wait to take a bite. Top each mushroom with a little grated cheese. A traditional hard cheese or a vegan cheese both work, your call. Return them to the air fryer to melt the cheese. Set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and cook for 5 minutes. Your lovely dish is ready to enjoy. Spoon any remaining filling onto a serving plate. Spread it out evenly. Then place the cheesy baked mushrooms on top. Serve while they're nice and hot. Subscribe to the channel and tap like so we don't lose touch. Share this simple, wholesome recipe with your friends. It was a joy to cook with you today. I can't wait to read your comments. See you next time, right back here in the kitchen.